Hello, and welcome to Turn Off the Lights. Check out our YouTube channel to find answers to your questions and discover new ways to use Turn Off the Lights in your web browser and across your devices. You probably already know that Turn Off the Lights can dim the web page with a single click, helping you focus on the video. But that's just the beginning. There are many more features and experiences to discover. Turn Off the Lights is designed to help you focus on what matters most. Whether you're watching videos in your browser, using the desktop app, enjoying content on your mobile device, or customizing your browser with a new theme, Turn Off the Lights gives you a cleaner, darker, and more relaxing digital experience. On this channel, you'll find tutorials and tips. Learn how to set up Turn Off the Lights and get the most out of its features. Features and updates. Discover new features, improvements, and what's new. Inspiration. Enjoy music, relaxing videos, and discover new ways to create a calmer, more enjoyable viewing experience. We are constantly working to improve Turn Off the Lights and create better experiences across all platforms. Your feedback and ideas help shape the future of the product. If you want to stay updated, discover new features, and learn more about Turn Off the Lights, follow along with us. Subscribe to the Turn Off the Lights YouTube channel now. And I'll see you there.